Hey everybody, welcome back to Kill Outdoors. Bringing you another turkey hunt this morning, hopefully. It's been a tough season. Me and my buddy killed 2 birds that we heard on our property. The rest of the season it's been real hectic. Most of them have been across the swamp, and then others we just haven't heard them gobbling. It's like they haven't been there this year either. I don't know if it's coyotes or what's going on, but we just haven't heard them. But yesterday morning when I was loading up the boat to go fishing around 6 o'clock, I finally heard them. Heard them in one of my favorite turkey hunt spots, and best thing about it, I heard more than one. So heading out here this morning, hopefully. Let's see, it's 5:26 right now. I'm hoping I have a bird dead by 6:35. We'll see. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I can bring y'all some good footage. Hopefully we can put another one on the ground. See you in the woods.
Good gosh, that gun's getting heavy.
Yeah. Keep running. Keep coming on. Come on. Can you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, put his hand up. Just come on in the left. Come on, big boy.
I'm running back up, but let me know when you think it's fit close enough, because I can move it.
He's running. He's running.
I'm going to throw enough lead at him to...
What's that, about 65?
Probably.
gonna come right on up the side like he did the year before.
I heard he's gonna get in the woods and come in behind.
Huh?
I'm afraid he's gonna go in the woods and come in behind.
I don't think so.
I know that's a long shot right now.
Turn and come back here, right?
But anytime like you say, shoot, shoot.
I think we need to get a little bit closer.
I'm dead on him.
He's dead. What you got? I can kill him right there. Can you kill him right there?
I don't know. I can't see him now.
Don't move. I can let him come on in this one. Right? He did it right there.
He went behind the bushes on me.
He's still walking to the left. Here he comes.
Which way is he coming?
Straight at it. To the left again. We kill him now, but I'm gonna wait. If he comes, you can't swing to the left no more, can you?
Yeah, I can swing left.
I mean, he's not going. You got that open window to the left right there? Don't. You got him? I got him.
What you said, dude?
You got him?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
I got him. Well, folks, unfortunately, this is when my memory card got full. Literally like 10 seconds before this turkey got shot. He actually hit the ground, flew back up in the air, shot him again, and he crashed inside the woods. So we'll pick up the footage from where we found him inside the woods. Well, folks, wasn't exactly cleanest shot in the world, but we got, here he is. Probably about a 18-pound bird, 17. He's not humongous. Got a real nice beard on him. Real nice beard on him. We shot him, and he got himself together. Took up flying, but we know we hit him good. Tracked him about, 200 yards down the side of the field. And he was laying in the woods right here. Not the cleanest, but he will eat. Shout out to Mr. Robinson again. Old man out here with me, getting it done.
Hey, sometimes it pays to have double people, because I thought it went down when it hit the woods, and he wasn't sure, so we come looking.
Come looking, and there he was, laying about, 15 yards inside the woods. So, appreciate y'all as always. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Turkey spurs want all that. About an inch, maybe an inch and a 16th, maybe. Not a very huge bird, but did have a nice beard on him. Alright, folks, we got, looks like right at an 11-inch beard. Could straighten it up a little bit, maybe get a little bit more, but we'll call it 11. 11-inch beard, not bad. The mouth call that I used was the Hunter Specialties Power V. Now this next footage is from the morning after I killed my bird. It was my buddy's turn, and we set up on his gobbler and got some pretty good footage. Unfortunately, it was a swing and a miss, but hey, that's turkey hunting. You know, anybody that's been turkey hunting for years, they'll tell you if you haven't missed, you just haven't hunted long enough. But good thing is the turkey is still alive and well. I saw him yesterday evening, matter of fact, back out in the field and strutting again. So hopefully we can get back on him before the end of the season. But yeah, check out this footage. Got some hens in the woods straight across from us. Going right in by my tree stand. Yeah, that's the gobbler. You just take your time whenever you're ready and feel comfortable. It's all on you. Little decoy looking right sad, but it might hold up. That's why he ain't coming. He got a little girlfriend with him. Got a little girlfriend with him. Maybe she'll come this way. Don't see that every day. Two Jakes just chased off this gobbler. Guess they tired of him beating up on them, so they decided to, I don't know where he went. He went running down the field from them. Now that's pretty. All right, she's coming this way. He's right behind her. You got him? Huh? All right, make it count. Yeah, make it count. I think it's a clean miss. Once again, I appreciate y'all stopping by to check out my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the notification bell if y'all haven't already, to give you updates on every time I upload a video. And as always, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you next time.